Let's take a look at how to use the CMEX5 with the handheld heavy-duty pin probe to test a plywood substrate. So when testing a plywood substrate with the CMEX5, we're going to turn the meter on here and go into the menu. And I'm going to go into the pin mode because we're using a pin probe here. We'll go down to the fourth option, which is WME. That stands for wood moisture equivalent. And now when I connect the pin probe with the bayonet connector here, you'll see it remembers that setting. And I've already inserted the pin probe into the plywood, but we want to insert it so that it's running with the grain. So the pins are running vertically with the grain running vertically in this case. So we see we're getting a reading here of 9.1. And when I refer to the ambient conditions here, the temperature is 75.7, relative humidity 51.8. So now we can compare those ambient conditions with our wood moisture equivalent chart, which tells us the acceptable moisture level for wood in this conditions. So we can see here that we fall within the range here of an acceptable moisture level on this plywood substrate, which means that we can go ahead and proceed with our installation.